Friends, welcome to Kranti's Maths class. So up to last video we completed 11.2 successfully. Now before going to start 11.3 exercise of class 10th, we have to learn about some complementary angles. So there are trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So we know that total 6 trigonometric ratios are there in our chapter trigonometry. They are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and sec theta, cosec theta, and cot theta. So first of all, we have to learn what is sin 90 minus theta or sin of 90 minus a. So sin 90 is always becomes sin becomes cos. That's why sin 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. In the same way, reciprocal means vice versa also same. Cos of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is a sin theta. So this is one set. Sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta. The same way, cos of 90 minus theta is a sin theta. Next, third, tan of 90 minus theta is a cot theta. Cot theta. In the same way, cot of 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta is equals to tan theta. Tan theta. In the same way, next, cosec of 90 minus theta is sec theta. So last one, sixth, sec of 90 minus theta is cosec theta. CSC or COSEC. Once again, these are trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So total 6 ratios are there. So first of all, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Sin becomes cos. The same way, cos 90 minus theta is called sin theta. So cos becomes sin. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So tan becomes cot. The same way, cot becomes tan. Next, cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Same way, sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So based on the 6 trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, we can do very easily 11.3 chapter of. Based on complementary angles, we can start exercise 11.3. So in the exercise 11.3, first bit, we have to find out the values of tan 36 degrees by cos 54 degrees. First problem. The same way, second problem, cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. So we know that already, we know the relation between tan and cot. And the same way, relation between cos and sin. Okay. So just here, for this problem, just we have to change either 36 degrees or 54 degrees. We have to change. Don't change both. Just change any one of them, 36 degrees or 54 degrees, by using complementary angles. So tan 36 degrees, we can write tan 36 degrees. Tan 36 degrees, we can write 36 is nothing but 90 complementary angle minus down degree. Okay, in the numerator degree. Numerator degree is 54. That's why just 90 minus 54, we can say 36 degrees. That's why just write tan same. 36 degrees is nothing but 90 minus 54. 90 minus 54. And denominator same. Don't change the denominator. That is 54 degrees. So we know that complementary angle tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. Cot theta. This is the complementary angle rule. So now tan of 90 minus. So tan of 90 means you can write cot. Cot. So theta. Theta is nothing but here 54. So cot 54 degrees. In the same way, denominator is 54 degrees. So cot 54 and cot 54 we can cancel. So remaining is 1 is the answer of tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. In the same way, second problem also, we know that the relation between cos and sin. Cos 12 degrees minus 78 degrees. Sin. So cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. 78 degrees. So here also you can change any one of the degree, either 12 degrees or 78 degrees, but don't change both. Okay, so that's why we can change 12 degrees. 12 means you can write 90 minus 78. Here also 90 minus 54. Just you can search, okay, nearby only. So 90 minus 78 minus sine 78 degrees. 78 degrees. So cos of 90 minus, we know that cos 90 minus theta is always cos is relation with sine. So sine theta. So this is the complementary angle rule. So cos 90 minus theta. So cos 90 minus theta. So cos becomes sine. So cos of 90 is sine. That's why sine 78 degrees minus remaining is sine 78 degrees. So here plus sine 78 and minus 100 cancel. Remaining is here 0. That's why cos 12 degrees minus sine 78 degrees is equals to 0. In the same way, tan 36 degrees by cos 54 degrees is equals to third problem, the same exercise. So cosec CSC is nothing but we know that cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees we have to do. So cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees. 59 degrees. So here cosec, so just to change any one of the angle, any one of the trigonometric ratio. That's why cosec 31 degrees. Cosec 31 degrees means you can write 90 minus here only their angle 59 degrees, because 90 minus 59 31. Next sec 59 degrees. 59 degrees. So cosec of, we know that cosec of 90 minus theta. Cosec of 90 minus theta is sec theta. So cosec of 90 minus theta, sec theta. So by using this tool, we can write cosec 90 minus 59 is sec 59 degrees. Minus sec 59 degrees is there. So we can cancel plus sec 59 and minus sec 59 we can cancel. Answer is 0. The same way, next fourth one, sine 15 degrees and sec 75 degrees. So sine 15 degrees, sec 75 degrees. Here also you can change any one of the degree. Any one of the degree we can change. So you can change sine. Okay, so sine. Okay, sine of 90 minus 75. 90 minus 75 and sec 75 degrees. So 75 degrees. So now sine of 90 minus theta, we know that sine of 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. This is the rule of complementary angles. So you can write sine of 90 minus theta is sine of 90 minus theta is sine becomes cos. Sine becomes cos. That's why cos 75 degrees and sec 75 degrees. Here we cannot cancel both and we cannot change both because cos and sec here. So just change cos 75. Cos 75, just write 75 only. You can write multiplicative inverse of sec is cos. That's why you can write 1 by cos 75 degrees. So 1 by cos 75 degrees. That's why cos 75 and cos 75 both are cancelled. Remaining is 1 is the answer. So we know that cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees is equals to 0. The same way sine 15 degrees and sec 75 degrees is equals to. Last problem in the first bit. So that is tan 26 degrees and tan 64 degrees in between multiplication. Here by seeing a problem only we can say these problems are belongs to complementary angles because 26 degrees plus 64 90 degrees. So in the same way remaining problems also we can check. Sum of the both angles is equals to always 90 degrees. So now tan 26 degrees and tan 64 degrees we have to find. So tan 26 degrees and next to tan 64 degrees. 64 degrees. Okay, just change any one of the angle. You can change tan 90 minus 64. 90 minus 64. 90 minus 64 is equals to 26 only. Next, tan 64. And we know that tan of 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. Relation between cot and the tan. Okay, so now tan 90 minus theta, 90 minus cot, so cot 64 degrees, cot 64 degrees and tan 64 degrees. Both are reciprocal ratios. That's why you can write cot is 1 by tan 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees is as it is, you can write. So we can cancel tan 64 and tan 64, remaining is 1. 1 is the answer of tan 26 degrees and into tan 64 degrees. If you like this video, please like it and share it. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to click bell icon after subscribe.